be honest with you, you can graduate a first class in accounting or even a second class upper and still struggle to get a job. And the painful part is that it's not even your fault. The problem is most accounting graduates are taught the wrong things for the real world. In this video, I will break down exactly why this is happening and how to fix it immediately. So make sure you watch to the end. If you are new here, my name is Oluwadamdola. I'm a chartered accountant and I help young and ambitious accountants like you to build a successful career and also pass your ICAN exams. If you are yet to click on the subscribe button, make sure to do that now and share this video to a friend that is also building an accounting or finance career. So let's go to the business of the day. Have you noticed that every year thousands of graduates enter into the labor market, some with degrees and some with very good grades, but at the end of the day they still struggle to find job? And this is the reason when it comes to the actual job they get rejected. So somebody's asking, why? Because employers are not looking for what school taught you, but they are looking for what you can do as an accounting graduate. So there are a lot of reasons why people struggle to get job even after graduating with good grades, especially as an accountant. The very first one is too much theory. I know you know all the standards, all the principles, all the definitions and concepts of accounting, but trust me, in real life nobody's going to ask you what is accounting. They want to know if you can work with Excel, what reports you can prepare, and if you can analyze financial data. And this is where the first disconnect happens, because you are coming with the theory, but the labor market is asking for the practicality. Number two reason is no practical skills. Most graduates have never worked on a real financial data, never used an accounting software before, and most of them have never seen how month-end financial close work. Then when they go to interview and they ask them, can you run me through the process of preparing social report, and they are just blank. Or can you explain how to do this on a particular accounting software, and they are just blank. So when they get to interviews, they struggle to answer practical questions. Number three reason why people struggle to get job is no experience, not even the basic one. I know your CV says BSc in accounting, second class upper. Great, but so does 5,000 other people's CVs. So what makes you different? Tell me. Nothing. And that is the problem. Enough of the talks, enough of highlighting the problem. Now that we know what the problem is, how can we fix the problem? If you are still watching up to this point and you're yet to click on the like button, please give me a thumbs up so it can encourage me to drop more videos here. First, you need to learn practical skills. You need to learn how to use Excel to do the accounting that you know. I know you understand the principles, you understand the concept, but you need to also be able to use Excel to process your thoughts, to bring your thoughts, the principles that you've been taught, the concepts that you have been taught to life. You need to learn financial reporting. When I mean financial reporting, I know you know how to write it on your book, but you need to learn financial reporting in real life. Then you also need to understand real life accounting workflows. How does transaction flow from source documents to the big financial picture? Start acting like an accountant. Work on case studies, simulate real tax, and build your confidence, because at the end of the day, these are all that matter. Then you need to build proof. What is the evidence that you actually know what you are doing if there is nothing to show that you know what you are doing? You need to build proof. You need to build proof. You need to show your employer that, yes, I don't just know this thing, I have evidence to show you that I have been working on this. All the case studies you've been working on in the previous step, all the real life tasks that you've been simulating, you need to build like a portfolio. I know that building portfolio is not very common in the accounting space, but guess what? As a fresh graduate that don't have experience yet, what else do you have to show to the employer that you've actually worked on this thing before, if not building one portfolio? You need to build your portfolio. All those case studies that you've simulated, that you've worked on, put it together in a portfolio. If you go online, there are a lot of free portfolios that you can create. You can even create one with Canva. So just go there, build your portfolio, dump whatever you've worked on in that link, in that portfolio. This way you are able to put it in your CV, not just your LinkedIn profile. You're able to add the link to your portfolio on your CV. This way you stand out among every other second class upper. You stand out among every other ICAN graduate, and this is the only way to get a very good job. So if you're serious about becoming a job ready accountant, this year, you want to get a good job, you want to be employable, I've created a practical accounting bootcamp where we are going to be teaching you how to use accounting software, prepare financial reports, data visualization for accountants, and every other skills that you need to get to become an employable accountant. We're teaching you different things ranging from bookkeeping to financial reporting to how accounting works in an office to data visualization for accountants. And guess what? You're going to be walking away with ready-made templates that you just need to practice with. Even after the program, you're going to be walking away with a certificate of participation, and to crown it all, you're going to have all of this knowledge to yourself. So this program is suitable for you if you are switching your career to accounting, if you're a fresh graduate of accounting corpus, and if you are still an accounting student. Make sure to check the link in the description below to find out all the details. And if you're here to join our community, the academic community, you will also find the link in the description below. Make sure to be a part of the winning team. So I guess I'll see you in my next video. Make sure to share this video with a friend, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more educating videos like this so that you can get more money and get the bag. So I'll see you next time. Bye.